and welcome to Cooking with Pax To The Max. Yes, this is the title. We will be making a homemade family recipe. Just kidding. Recipes from a box. Today, we will be making lemon poppy seed muffins from a box. I'm going to have my sister, Ella, help me. Alrighty then. Sex beast. Wait. The first thing you're gonna need is a bowl. Not that kind of bowl. This kind of bowl. The first thing you get out of this bowl is mix. Now dump. And now I'm just going to narrate while my sister does the work. The first thing you need is 3/4 a cup of water. Now add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Ooh yeah. So add in 3/4 of vegetable oil now. Spin. Now add 2 eggs. Remember, get another bowl. Crack, crack. Open it carefully. Sometimes you need 4 cracks before the egg splatters on you. Now add the eggs into the mixture.
Nope. Into the liquids.
Now add the eggs into the liquids. Yes, that is very chunky. Now we stir it up.
And add it to the mixture.
Now we slowly add it to the mixture. Now we stir the batter. Now that it is stirred, we have to pour it into a cupcake pan.
At this point, Paxton pretty much gave up on the whole muffin making idea, so I pretty much did it by myself from here.
Now you have to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. We forgot to do this earlier, so we're going to do it now.
Stop it. Have an adult or an older person do this. I am now going to set a 12-minute timer. I also set a timer on my phone just in case. Well, they got just a tad burned. A 12-minute timer. But that's okay.
So this is how they turned out. Hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss another video. Bye!